My guest inside studio will go follow reason matter. Will make sense. You know, go like miss this one at all. Call your neighbor, say Wazobia, get somebody inside their studio. This one, a co-founder, Sahara Group, better joint body company for inside of Africa, West Africa, where they do big things where concern of for energy. Organa businessman EB, and recently one or two things for those of you we know waiting to happen for the political terrain for inside of River State. Una go sabi the next person we want to introduce inside studio this evening. I get Mr. Tonye Cole. Mr. Tonye Cole, good evening. Welcome to Wazobia FM.
You should say na evening.
I got this thing be like evening. The one they suspect. I suspected that is evening.
You don't talk now. Anything after 4 o'clock now.
Yes, everything after 4 o'clock now evening.
Good evening.
Welcome. First, I would like to say congratulations to you. With the listen for radio. The Wetin be that English now, the Higi Haga.
Boxing match.
Yes.
Round 1, round 2, round
we they listen. We they listen as they go concerning court ruling and on our primaries for your party way when I do for River State. Congratulations. Make I ask you, your heart been there, your mouth. How they be? You they sleep for nights?
They sleep well.
You sleep?
No, they sleep. You see, you get one thing where I can't enter. When I enter politics, I hear
okay.
You say if snake don't bite you before. When you see rope, you go think say na snake.
Yes.
You go fear.
Yes.
And so the last time 4 years ago, you know, say na this same type of court ruling, I take waka comot us from ballot. So people can't dey fear. Think say this snake won't bite us again. When they tell them say snake no be rope. Na different thing. This one na rope. So we know say na rope from before. So we know say this one they different. The matter they different. And so we've been day confident say we will win this one. And I thank God say we don't win.
So as when I win this one, how it take touch you now talking about Nigerian judicial system, how you feel now talking about justice, the law in Nigeria. It snake bite you before, but this time around you touch and see saying a belt, they and a rope. What if you talk now about Nigerian judicial system?
Work still there. I know, but like work still there for judicial system. Make we do.
Okay.
And work still there because the responsibility we they on top the judicial system is too high. Because now then they decide now.
Okay.
It be like say instead make we go vote, make we just sit down for judiciary. Make judiciary can't decide who could be and who no go be. That responsibility they very, very serious.
Okay.
And judiciary get to take it seriously.
Okay. One of the matter when they be bring on top of your matter now your dual citizenship. You na Nigerian citizen, you get your green passport. Are you na citizen of Britain? What be the color of that on passport for that side? Nigeria own a green.
For you.
What be the color of that one?
Sometimes it's red. I believe say blue now. They don't change.
Okay, now blue this time around.
Yeah.
Okay. Condolences for una queen we die.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Wetin you get to talk concerning loyalty, concerning the fears where some of your supporters forfeit to get concerning say, this our guy. They say be Oyibo, they say that for Britain. We don't even know who they answer now Queen Eliza. Now not be Queen Eliza then na Prince Charlie.
Prince Charlie.
Now Charlie there now.
Now
Charlie there on board now. So people they say, who go first answer? If he cook finish, who go first go give? Who go give 3 meat? Who go give 1 meat? Now UK, I've been in Nigeria. They say that the two of them it be their citizen. Waiting be your stand concerning your dual citizenship. Waiting it make you feel.
No, the stand is very, very simple. Anybody who sabi me, cut me inside, cut me outside, you go no say I be Niger person, I be Niger Pekin. And the reason why we say this country where we dey get to dey better. Yes, some of us, God don't bless us, say we fit travel, we fit go see other things, we fit go learn, waiting we fit bring come back. But last, this now our country. And now here now we dey. Now here now we don't fight. Now here now we don't suffer. Now here now we don't see better things. Everything where I get today, I did tell anybody we want to know, say na Nigeria don't give me. At the end of the day, now here I go school, na Nigeria give me school. Education where I get na Nigeria, business where I get na Nigeria. So Nigeria did my blood. We must make Nigeria better. It no matter what people talk. We must make Nigeria better. The whole fact, as life day, we don't become global citizen. And that's so life day. We get children, we don't born abroad, we come back. Today, we want to make sure, say everybody, whether they abroad or whether they here, no matter what, say their Nigerianness must be number one. At the end of the day, they must contribute to make Nigeria better.
I like that word where you talk Nigerianness. That's the blood, the Nigerianness about them.
See, look at this way. for America, when you see the Niger community for America, the reason why that Niger community for America they progress, they excel. Now one of the best way they now because they still get Nigerian roots. Their roots still they here. So no matter what thing happen, they know say they get home with they for back. Take Jews, take Israelis, anywhere in the world where they go, they know say they get place where they feel run to, if any katakata boss. Okay. And because of that, then they progress where they. This thing they very, very important. And for me, this fight where they fight on dual citizen, it they beyond me. It they make we reach Niger for diaspora everywhere in the world. Say themselves, no matter where they fit contribute, and they must contribute to the progress of Niger.
This dual citizenship fit be a very good deal for Nigerians to be half Nigerian and later Brazilian, to be half Nigerian and later Jamaican or Canadian or American, whether it go fit improve our ties with those countries waiting join us and them for business, for economy, for our people to fit the cross there, for visa allocation, for progress. So maybe now something like a franchise join body. So like Wetin you get, probably it go feel make you somebody where they go feel listen to as a citizen of their own place. So what do you feel about selling the idea of dual citizenship to more and more Nigerians?
Okay, so anywhere where I don't go for this world, I dey see Nigerians. So one thing we know, we say we be people where they travel. We be people we don't enter every country. But when we enter those countries, how will they integrate for the countries? You know, I don't see the way Indians don't waka everywhere. They don't enter they don't become prime minister for England. No easy. But within that tell you, we say, then they build relationship, then they build bridges, then they collect their people, make sure say India better, make sure say wherever they go self better, depending on where you choose to go live, where you choose to go settle. We don't settle for here. But waiting we want make sure, they say no matter where Nigerians, they as long as they be Nigerians, they get Nigerian blood, they get Nigerian parents, say they fit contribute to this our economy here. They fit they there, but make them contribute come here. And this is a lesson we supposed learn. Americans, anywhere where they live for this world, then they contribute back to America. Anywhere, no matter where they go, they must pay their tax, come back to America. No matter. Anywhere we as Nigerians go, we suppose come back, contribute to the development of Nigeria. Make we no waste our diaspora. Because Nigerians everywhere, then they excel, then they do well. So make sure say that link, make we no lose them.
All right, so this one where you touch me, say make we no waste our diaspora. May the diaspora no be for nothing. May them get how it take they pay us with the back home. So many doctors, athletes, people, Nigerians in every field of life. How it take they benefit us back for home. No be lie, Mr. Tonye Cole, they talk. I want to ask you concerning the elections where they come up, both for gubernatorial and the presidential. Do you believe inside your heart of hearts, say one man fit change a state, one man fit change a country? So much corruption, it be like say they inside every aspect of our society, for federal service, for private sector, for forces, uniform forces, for road. It just be like say the issue of corruption and kickback there everywhere. You really believe say one good man as a governor, one good man as a president fit turn around Rivers State, fit turn around Nigeria?
No one person fit turn around anything. See, you dey studio here. Even as you dey, person they help you they mix. Another person they help you they do light. Another person they help you they make sure say the sound quality they okay. People there outside will be technician. With everybody get the part within the work. But the head they very important because now as the head nine they look, as the head they direct, now so the body they direct. If the head don't rotten, the body they rotten. But make the head say now only am fit do am, not lie. So when we dey look River State, we dey look Nigeria, we dey know say leadership dey extremely important. So the first aspect of it will be say who be the kind leaders we get. So we don't put ourselves first. Say we want carry leadership position because we get things we don't do. For leadership, we prove say we fit do them. But we no fit do them alone. We need coalition. We need coalition of better people. We carry River State for mind. We need coalition for Nigeria. We carry Nigeria for mind. Say they want progress things, and that's how we go move.
Okay. You from being a business tycoon, now you don't put hand for politics. You know what they talk about politics? They say a dirty game, and our people they fear politicians. Good politicians we get good mind.
Everything they, So the short answer to that one, they say yes, good politicians there. But make I explain why. You see, for the Bible, whether na Quran or Bible, for the story of Genesis, he get one tree with it. That tree, he get good and bad inside the same tree. Now God say make you no go touch that tree because he get na the tree of knowledge of good and evil inside the same tree. Wetin this mean? It means say everything, even for inside business, you get good and bad. For government, you get good and bad. For politics, you get good and bad. Now, wetin you want see, wetin you want pull out, na dey important. Inside politics, good politics dey, bad politics dey. Now your choice. Which one you want choose? You want choose the good one or you want choose the bad one?
Okay. Political supporters, the people, the masses, would all of the belief say if this person come from party A, this person come from party B, party C, say the aspirant for party A and party B say na enemy them be, say short if they jam, they fit kill each other, and now so we be una supporters, they fight ourselves, we dey fight physically, the war even worse for social media, Twitter, Instagram, and everywhere. If you see the way, but sometimes they dey surprised when they see una for public function, una even snap picture, go see am for newspaper, we go come dey wonder wetin be your relationship with the other gubernatorial aspirants of the other parties for Rivers State.
Okay, so me, I be the person where I know they carry that kind of enemy, and I no believe say that's what it's supposed to be. If you get things where you get where I need, you get things where I get where you need. For the leadership, make them be friends. All this one about enemy na lie for politics. Permanent enemy no dey. They fish shout for morning, for night they go sit down, chop bread together. So when followers they kill themselves because of politicians, for me na foolishness. No need to. At the end of the day, look the man, wetin him bring, wetin he get, where you want make him bring to you. Follow am, support am. That one I believe. But make you go kill yourself because of another man, you know they what am. We be friends, we still dey talk. Fit abuse ourselves for public, but for inside, everybody knows.
So this one are fair play like sports. What they do?
Na so it be. Na so it's supposed. No, make I correct am. Na so it's supposed to be.
Okay.
But unfortunately, some people they carry the matter on top their head as if na do or die matter. So then they kill each other because of this matter. You no need.
Every state gets within dey very urgent to save them. If not be one or two or three things we dey immediate to say entering office under 6 months to 1 year. Some na payment of teacher salary, some na education, some na health, some na roads from south to north. Wetin you as a gubernatorial candidate feel say be the most urgent three for Rivers State? We be say if they put you na you no go even sleep.
Okay. So the first thing they say hunger dey the land plenty. People they hungry, the kind poverty where you no believe.
Inside oil.
Hey God. The kind poverty where you no believe, now we dey see. Now, if you never address the man, how he go chop today, which story you won't tell him about tomorrow? Which story? So the first aspect of him, they say the man with the hungry, how we go give him food? Social welfare. We get to address that one now. That's not the first thing. At least make them get hope. Say they go chop today, they go see food come tomorrow. Very important. Now, to do that one now, when we don't pass that one, education dey extremely important because that's the base. You get agriculture, you get education, food and knowledge, how you go take waka. Those two, they critical before we even start to move. Once we fit do all of those things, now we fit start to talk about the developmental infrastructure. But inside all these things, my brother, the one way me I know, say if the people, if you no connect to them, if they no feel, say you care, say you feel waiting they feel, forget them, nothing for you.
Okay. Now aspirants day and political parties day, Rivers State don't they set, the stage don't they set. Wetin dey different about the man Tonye Cole will make you, because if na money you don't enter, you don't see, you don't head, multinational. So it gets something where you must don't see will make you decide to run. Wetin you carry come for Rivers State.
So now three things. First, then I like this phrase when they say man we sabi. And the truth be say when you don't make money no go dey face you. You no go dey go to small money because you never see money before. So you get that discipline where they carry on. Number two, when you don't pay salary, you don't work out every month to struggle how you go pay people salary, then you go get value for work. and value for how you go they make people so that they themselves go work, they go see opportunity, make them stop to dey beg. We don't turn our society into beggarly society. So wetin I want see first and foremost, they say you and your talent and your gift, you don't need to know governor, you don't need to know local government chairman before you go do your work, before you go feed, before you yourself go see how you go chop. They very, very important. Make your talent and your skill and opportunity where we go bring, make them jam together so that you yourself go fit develop. So that one dey very important. That's not wetin I fit bring. I dey identify talent. I know where opportunity dey. I know where money they hide. Make I bring the money out, give the opportunity, carry your talent, jam all together, make yourself survive so that you go know how you go dey chop. Make you know they wait for me to feed you before you go chop. For what?
Mr. Tonye, you dey 55 now, 55 years old now. If I ask you how you feel about age and leadership, what will be the relationship between age and leadership? Again, when it a good pass, again when you too young, again when you too old, again when be the right time, we be say now give her now, you go feed run them.
Okay, so I don't see old people we no sabi lead at all. So age and leadership no rhyme. I don't see young people will be better leaders. So even a leadership they talk about, age and leadership no rhyme. Experience and age, they work together. So the older you did, the more experience you did about certain things, so you no go make the same mistake over and over again. If you be better leader because you get experience, but leadership and the quality of leadership no be age follow. I see young people where they mentor me because they get leadership for the area of their expertise, the things where they do. So that's what me I see. I fit follow person where they younger than me because he get the leadership quality to lead people, carry them, go where they need to go. And politics don't be about age. Don't be about age.
Okay. River State, it is hard. Make person they plan future for River State, or make they talk about betterment of life and economy for River State. We not mention oil because on a day for oil producing states for Niger. Now, if you become governor, how far with the oil and how far with other aspects? Wetin again you fit do for River State? Because it be like say everybody the oil companies don't drilling, prospecting, the traditional rulers, everybody waiting for the money where they come out to you to say some elderly people don't sit down on top the money where come for them. How far with you becoming, if you become the governor of River State, what you go do and how the oil go take concern your plans?
Okay, very good question. So the oil don't do three things for us for River State. The first aspect of it, we say it don't spoil so many people where they no even want think how they go take develop themselves. They just they wait, make them dash them something. Oil money now our money. That won't get to stop. The true matter, they say we get plenty talent for inside River State. Alternative sources where we get to pull out, make we take and make money. So we get to do that one. Develop alternate business. The second aspect, we said we don't degrade our environment. If you see the degradation,
the pollution,
it did too much. So that one, we get to educate ourselves. And now if we talk to ourselves, so we go talk to ourselves about how we go take clean our environment. We go see they produce the oil, but make we produce them in a way where they healthy for all of us. So that environmental pollution is something we did very, very important for us, where we must do. Then the third thing we must do, we say oil gets many factions. Not be only petrol, the oil. Oil gets many things we fit do with them. So we get to see how we go take divide all those things with oil.
So all those other things where they come off from oil.
They come off from oil, make we self do them because we fit do them. But not be just to carry oil, export them, carry oil. That are the only way they do. We know they use the oil, break them down to become productive for our people for River State, and we get to do that.
Okay. River State, just presently they known as an oil producing state. I'm not really sure say it gets any other reason to presently say River State. The last time when I've been there, ports from airport, I noticed say sun not too shine. It just be like say the place for afternoon, it be like evening, and somebody tell me say now suit, say now the smoke from
they call and fire. fire. Then the illegal refinery where we get for River State.
Okay, oil bunkering and the way when it be. Oil bunkering and the terms and conditions of the companies where they prospect oil for inside of River State. How you feel? How serious this matter be, and waiting the next governor, if now you go need to do.
So oil bunkering a big problem, a major issue for River State. But now issue where we as Rivers people also get to understand, because now poverty, lack of opportunity, lack of education, and all of those things don't also drive people make they enter into this illegal bunkering matter. And now they support many young people now. But the people where they support, they also pollute the environment. The people where they support, they also give them big headache, big wahala. All of us get this issue with back suit and respiratory problem be all of those things.
Yes.
So we get to answer and we no fit ignore them. So for me, not to answer those questions, how we go bring them, sit down with them, show them say other ways they to make money, not be only like this. Okay. And that the thing where they very important. People need to know how they go chop today and tomorrow. And that not through the effort of their hands, through the labor of their hands.
Okay.
We get to do it.
Mr. Tonye, what will be the political hot body of the people of River State? I don't stay for North. I don't stay for Kano, Kaduna. And I see the way Northerners, they hungry for, then they interested in politics. Then they come out for rain and sun, can't get PVC. Then they draw line. Nothing way INEC officials can talk, say our machine. Somebody go sacrifice in generator. How far with the readiness from your own camp where you don't hear for waiting they happen for streets? People don't get PVC, they don't set, they don't ready. I be they still fold hand, they believe say business as usual.
No, you see, people don't tire, and that's not the good thing where my entry into this kind of political scene I don't do, because people don't they see the same people they come over and over the last 20 years. Now the same people they show, now the same people they show, and so when the same people they show, you can't they see a party. Now the same result, now the same people, and then they come. Not saying we worry ourselves on. Now we can't enter. When we can't enter, I can't show say something they different too. This no be person where they can't they shout gra. No, they can't they do say I kill you, I shoot you, I break down your house, I do all of this. You get different way they talk. Now you don't attract different people. We go word to word, ground to ground, house to house. We just they follow people. They ask them who you go vote for. We come out when they see say they connect with them, themselves when they take them seriously. So the political awareness don't increase. They see say something different about this election, and that are the positive we may like. Beavers, they give them hope. They give them hope. They know say this time around, if they follow Beavers, follow person who sabi, follow this different character, say River State go better for them, and that are the hope we will they look. We they bring different politics from.
Okay. Finally, before we let you go, let's say this now the stage for you to address citizens of River State. They listen, and other Nigerians too. Because as River State go begin to improve, of course it go become waiting other states go they say una no see governor of River State. Why una no fit? We know how they use other states. They quarrel our own governors. They see waiting your mates they do. So talk to us finally, freely, how it will be.
Okay, that one a beautiful question. I thank you for the opportunity we give me make I do so. Inside Nigeria, we get places where it become country inside country. As we did for Lagos, so you don't see Lagos don't become almost like in one country inside Nigeria. River State get every possibility under this world to become country inside country, and that's not the focus we do. Where we go give River State the kind position for inside Nigeria where everybody go they think say where be the first place where they fit go to do business, where be the first place where they fit go to settle, where be the first place where they fit go to bring their children up, where opportunity dey na River State, and that's what we want to do. But for us to do that, it get something we una as public supposed to. First, make una go collect on a PVC. You see, if you no collect this PVC, nothing go. PVC don't buff. I hear when I enter studio, say now they talk, say INEC they talk, say PVC day. Go collect your PVC. First, very important. When you collect your PVC, make you trust me, TPC, Tonye Patrick Cole. Trust me with that your PVC. Carry and go vote for me. It is very important, because if you no vote, nothing go change. You go just sit down, fold hand, now the same. Now go they come. Go vote. Make the difference. That's the responsibility you get. Our own responsibility now say make we put ourselves forward. We don't do it. Our responsibility make we change the state, make it become country within country. We could do it, but you get to vote.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tonye Cole. We're happy to say you get a chance come follow us, talk one or two for inside the studio. We wish you safe journey. We know say you go down, they go back rivers in the moment.
No.
I bet waiting they chop to now bole and fish. What you gonna chop if you enter this night?
Bole and fish day, but you not get to try onunu.
Which one be onunu? Because we know now for that bole and fish. Which one be onunu? I beg.
Onunu na the special one. When they come from the river.
I don't die.
No, you don't die. You go carry ripe plantain. You go carry yam.
Yes.
You put palm oil. You go bang them together. Make a piece. Then you go carry the better fresh fish. Don't eat them with me too. You know they work.
Yes.
Better fresh fish, hot, put them together. When you chop and you don't crease.
I don't die. I don't die. I get tickets and they go rivers. Make I go chop onunu. Thank you so much, sir. Wake up, ladies and gentlemen. If you not just join us on top radio, we be not there. They talk, and you see that's the wisdom they come up from inside the head. There you go. They say this one. They say man, where all your day in head. Mr. Tonye Cole, and him they run for governorship for inside of River State under the umbrella of the APC. Thank you, sir. Say you come on top of the show, and we go continue. Time now 20 minutes before 5 o'clock. Don't forget, say we get Calabar girls later. Moko for laugh. No touch them when they come back.